Everybody, what is a surprise? Character Cosmetics from Paris sent to me from the Dubai head office. Let me tell you how excited I am about this gorgeous collection of makeup right in front of me. You guys know that this is the biggest wedding time for us, and I have my hands on these beautiful palettes. Can you see them? Oh my god, I love the packaging. Look at the shimmers, look at the matte colors. I'm gonna be swatching them on my fingers, but I can't wait. So let me just swatch this light pink, this glitter, and let me take this purple. So I have 3 shades in my hand and I'm gonna swatch them for you right in front of you. Look at the gorgeous effect, and I can't wait to use them on my brides. There is another beautiful palette that I can't wait to open, and this is it right here. So guys, this is the second palette. Let me open it in front of you. Let me tell you, it has the beautiful earthy shades of browns, soft beiges, mauvish pink, subtle shades, shimmers, browns, even black for that smoky effect, navy blue, purple, lavender, orange, peach. A perfect palette for not only professional but also personal makeup. This is so pretty. I would be creating some amazing looks in this coming wedding season. Stay tuned. And this doesn't finish here, guys. We have some amazing set of 2 mascaras. One is a lash booster and other is the extra volume. Let me use it and show it to you. I can't wait for this. Stay tuned. Guys, I was talking about this mascara. This is the extra volume mascara. I had already thought of showing you the before and after. I applied on this right eye. You can already see the beautiful volume which is there. Now actually, honestly, if this is the effect of the mascara, I refuse to wear artificial lashes for any more events, making my life so much more simpler. And let me apply it on the other eye as well and show you. Okay, another important tip for all my followers: whenever you're applying a mascara, start from the roots as in from where the lashes start, go up in a zigzag motion, alright, and in the end just turn it towards inside. You might end up having few black dots on the crease, which can be definitely removed later. Don't worry about that. But the thing is, this is one of the most amazing mascaras. In fact, let me be very honest, I had got those artificial eyelash extensions for a wedding, and my own. Guys, I was just telling you that, I'd got my eyelash extensions, and you look so pretty with the eyelash extension. No more lashes and nothing. You don't even need to wear an eyeliner. But trust me, in the bargain, you tend to lose your own lashes. So I now was just giving a lot of effort for my own eyelashes, but the moment I use this mascara, you can just see how beautiful my eyelashes are looking, so much more fuller, and my eyes are popping out. I'm super happy. I will definitely tell you and recommend this mascara to all. Guys, I'm starting the beautiful eye makeup by none other than Character Cosmetics, my favorite cosmetics from France. And yes, this is the brand. You can see Palpi is wearing a beautiful lavender color, not even lavender, a deeper version of purple. So I'm going to be playing with this as my transition color, this for the depth, and this beautiful silver to match with the stonework. So guys, stay tuned. I am going to be creating the most gorgeous look on this beautiful Bengali bride. Not bride, my client. Beautifully pigmented. Love the color. At one go only, the pigment is setting so well on the eyes. So yeah.